My name is Alex Jackson, and I'm a photographer, explorer, and creator. On this YouTube channel, you'll find my comings and goings, adventures, and experiences as I explore all that North America has to offer. Alright, this right here, this is all my childhood home. My parents have lived here for about 20 years. Just recently, they purchased a house on Quadra Island, which is just off of Vancouver Island, not too far from Campbell River. At the end of next month, they will be moving to the island, and I still have a lot of my personal effects here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move all of my stuff prior to them moving so they don't have to deal with all of my stuff. In the meantime, while I'm on Quadra, I'm going to spend some time with my aunt and uncle at their place. And once again, use the beautiful wood shop that my uncle has so that I can finish the interior build of Thomas. But before I do any of that, I have to pack the truck, which I'm not super stoked for. I have a ton of stuff, but it ain't gonna do itself. All of my stuff is gonna be right here in 1, 2, 3. What do you think? Too much stuff? So I'd say that probably well over 50% of it is actually materials for building. I don't actually have a lot of possessions. Probably for the last 4 years, I've slowly but surely been kind of removing stuff from what I own, just so that I have a smaller footprint and I can move around a bit easier. Now I gotta deal with the issue of trying to fit it all in Thomas and not blow an airbag. Alright. How I've been putting air in my airbags lately. One of them has a leak, so, or at least one of the fittings has a leak, so I need to pump it up every so often. Alright. That's 80 psi in both bags. I think it should do a good job of holding all the weight that I'm going to put in there. Back to loading the truck! I think I did it. Okay, so now I'm basically ready to go. Thomas is packed, and I'm just gonna run over to a client's house to talk to them about possibly doing a trailer build. So, stuff is happening, and it's absolutely dumping rain outside. Typical BC. As soon as you want to do something, it just starts freaking raining. Gosh, dang it! Okay, I'm on my way to Vancouver now. I just stopped off at Home Depot to get some insulation and some WD-40. Stopped off at the bank, and I'm good to go now. That's gonna be sick. It's pouring rain, and the truck is super freaking heavy. Oh dang. Yeah, it's crazy to think that I have all of my life's possessions right behind me in this truck. Kind of makes you think. I really hope that I don't have an accident or get robbed. Yeah. Alright, I just made it to Vancouver. Pretty impressed with how the truck did with all the weight. Didn't really notice a big difference in fuel mileage, and you know, the truck is actually holding the weight really well. And considering this is all of my life's possessions in the back of the truck, it's a shit ton of weight. I think I got nothing to worry about when I'm actually on the road adventuring around with what minimal stuff I will be bringing with me. So yeah, ferry time tomorrow, chill out time tonight. Yeah. Thumbs up. Okay, it's the next day, and I just want to show you how full this truck is. It's insanely full. So, not a like square inch. I mean, there's like a little bit up there, but on the underside, it's even more packed than this side. It's crazy. I'll show you the other side. Look at that. Just totally packed full. All of the stuff. It's crazy. We got right in the ferry. They're nasty. I don't know. Alright, thank you very much. Have a nice day. She definitely looked right at me.
She's like,
and then looked at you.
she's like, I'm on camera.
Folks, we have found the ocean.
You touching my butt? Obligatory ocean coffee. What do you think? Is it going to be good?
It's gonna be good.
Yes. Okay. Coffee deliciousness? How's yours?
It's fine.
Oh, hey there, Thomas. Hello. I'm so scared. Too much?
Such a dork.
Like they got a tweezer seat. Tweeze your balls. Look at it.
Oh.
We found a tweezer seat. It's for tweezing the balls.
Gooch space.
Gooch space.
Gooch accommodations.
You bunch of animals. Look at this freaking guy. He just pooped in the water. Bro, you're disgusting. Can't believe you just pooped in the water. Hi, you. Look at these rocks. These rocks. Just look at these rocks.
You're the worst.
Just look at these rocks. Oh, hey, Thomas. That's love. Do you love Thomas?
Oh yeah, this is my guy.
Okay. Okay. Enough of that.
Get away. Fans.
Look at us! We're going! We're on dry land yet again! Ooh!
Oh, I think we found some buddies for sure.
So I've made it to the ferry that goes to Quadra. It was a pretty straightforward and boring drive to get here. The island highway is scenic in some places, but just very straight and boring in others. That's my honest opinion. Yeah. Not that you really want to know fuel mileage statistics on my truck, but I'm happy to report that I'm rather overjoyed by how well the truck did. Probably a solid 18 miles per gallon with like, gosh, there's got to be like 400 pounds worth of crap in the back right now, so did pretty good. Anyway, I'm going to show you this seal that's come to visit me. Hey there, Mr. Seal. Oh, hey, Thomas. How's it going? You a big fat ass? If you like this video and want to see more, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and if you want to tell me what you enjoyed or did not enjoy in this video, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And until next time, until next time, I'm Alex Jackson from Until next time, I'm Alex Jackson from I am Alex Jackson from Roamlndr Creative.